like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
What if I told you that for $50 you could get a tiny USB lottery miner like this, and every 10 minutes you have a chance of winning 3 bitcoins? This video is brought to you by bitcoinmerch.com, the world's leading affordable Bitcoin mining manufacturer. Okay, my dear crypto people, in this video I'll be reviewing the Gold Nugget lottery miner. So what is this? This is basically a solo Bitcoin lottery miner. It has a very easy setup. I will show you that in the video, and I will also show you the actual chances of winning. So once you set it up, every 10 minutes you have a chance of winning a full Bitcoin block reward. At the moment of making this video, this is 3.125 Bitcoin. Why is it called a lottery miner? Because your chances are astronomically low, okay? They are legit. This is a real Bitcoin miner. Once you join it, once you join the Bitcoin network, you are a part of the Bitcoin network, so it really is amazing. But you also have the chance of winning a block. Setting up this device is really easy, okay? You just need a USB-C charger, like you can plug it into your PC or laptop. Bitcoin Merch is shipping their products worldwide, okay? So wherever you are in the world, you can order a Bitcoin miner and start mining Bitcoin. Anyways guys, as I said, your chances are really low, okay? I have to say that right at the start. Here on the sololuck.com website you can check out what your chances of winning a Bitcoin block actually are. So with this Gold Nugget lottery miner, it has a 1000 kilohashes per second mining power. So here you can see what your chances of winning a Bitcoin block actually are. So I'm not even going to try to read this number. It's something like 1 in a 7 trillion. But guys, to paint you a picture, okay, the chances, if you are using one small device like this, your chances of winning hitting a Bitcoin block are something like getting hit by a train and struck by lightning and a bird poops on your head all at the same time. So, you know, some people would say it's impossible, but I don't know guys, I think everything is possible, okay? You just have to believe. Okay, so now I will show you the actual setup. They have actually sent this as an express delivery to me. Usually I would record the unboxing, but there was absolutely no items except the miner. So usually Bitcoin Merch will send you some additional stuff like a Bitcoin coin and Venezuelan fiat money and stuff like that. But yeah, I got this really fast to make one review. I will be reviewing some other products in the future as well, so yeah, I will record the unboxing there, okay? Anyways guys, once you get your Gold Nugget lottery miner, it comes in a box like this, and you also get this one standard USB-C cable. So this consumes very little electricity. You can plug it in basically everywhere, whatever charger you have for USB-C, okay? So guys, first thing that I want to tell you is how to actually reset the device, okay? So as you can see, just a moment. So here, if you want to reset the device, you will need to hold this left button, okay? Okay guys, so basically once you plug your miner on with a USB-C charger, so I have plugged it into my PC. So the way to reset your device is to hold this left button, okay? I don't know if you can see it, let me show you here. So this left one, this one. So I will hold this for 5 seconds to reset my device. Okay, so now it has been reset. So now it's plugging back on. Once it has been turned on, you have two options. You can either connect to the Wi-Fi through your PC, or through your mobile phone. So I don't have Wi-Fi on my PC, so I will scan the QR code with my mobile phone. So you guys know how to do this. You just open the QR scan code app, and then you scan the QR code. Okay, nice. Once you have scanned the QR code, you will get a screen like this. And now you will need to do three things, guys, okay? First, you will need to join to your Wi-Fi and write down the password of your Wi-Fi. When you open the configure Wi-Fi, you will need to do three things. First, you will need to find your Wi-Fi network and you will need to write the Wi-Fi password. The second thing that you will need to do, you will need to write a pool address. So by default, I think that it will be the Bitcoin merge one. You always have the option of joining a public pool without no fees. Okay, so here is their address. You can see it here on the screen. You can write down this as a pool address. But my recommendation, if you have already bought this device from Bitcoin Merge, then why not join their pool? They do have a 2% fee, but I personally don't mind that, so I have joined their pool, okay? So as you can see, this is the Bitcoin Merge pool address in the pool URL. And the third thing that you guys need to do is write down your Bitcoin address. So please, guys, write down your Bitcoin address, for legit Bitcoin wallet address from the original Bitcoin network, okay? Please don't use some behind God's legs crypto exchange or wallet or I don't know what, okay? So please, because if you win a block, you will not receive the rewards if you have some kind of a faulty wallet address, okay? So please make sure to put a legit Bitcoin address. The rest of the stuff will be filled out by itself. One thing that you can also add is your time zone. So this is compared to the UTC time zone. So I have put 2. This is my time zone. You should find that for yourself, okay? The miner will load and it will start mining. And okay, here it has been turned on. As we can see, 1000 kilo hashes. So here, if you ever see a number 1 here, that means that you have hit a block and you have won 3.125 Bitcoin. Once you have set up your miner, you can easily check the status on the pool that you are mining. In this case, I'm mining on the Bitcoin merge pool. So here you just put your Bitcoin address and here it is. You are officially mining Bitcoin. If you will be making some purchases from Bitcoin Merge, make sure to use my code FREECRYPTO to get an additional discount on all of your purchases. My final verdict. Personally, I like this a lot, okay? I like Bitcoin Merge and their idea of making cheap, affordable Bitcoin miners that everyone in the world can buy and be a part of the biggest, still ongoing financial revolution in the history of mankind. I think this stuff are amazing, okay? So some people call these educational miners. I agree, okay? Especially with these smaller miners that have a small hashing power. I would call them educational miners, so they're amazing, okay guys, even for people who are crypto enthusiasts but who are not mining Bitcoin, that don't want to invest in like a big mining rig or something like that, you know guys, on average like decent Bitcoin miners cost around $10,000 or something like that, or $20,000, so having a miner that's just $50 worth and giving you the opportunity of joining the Bitcoin run, that's amazing, okay? That really is amazing, and you can call it an educational miner, but it is a legit lottery miner. They also have these BitX miners, okay? So the difference between these and the lottery miners are, with these you have the option of joining like pools to get shared pool rewards, although that will still be very small amounts. but still, Bitcoin Merch has an amazing offer of different products, okay? If you are watching this from the United States of America, make sure to check out their additional merch, okay? So they have some amazing stuff. Unfortunately, they are not shipping this to Europe, but make sure to check this out, okay guys? Some cool stuff here. Like Fiat toilet paper. They even have Bitcoin panties. Wow, very nice guys. There's people also saying that these small lottery miners are actually good for decentralizing the Bitcoin hash network. I mean, that's funny, but it is true, okay? Because, you know, most of the blocks are being mined by the big Bitcoin mining pools and farms, you know, but every now and then it happens that a solo miner wins a block. The most recent one was less than a month ago, so a guy from the public pool has hit a block. He has won himself a nice amount of $280,000 at that time. It was the price. So yeah, not impossible, but please guys, for everyone considering buying a device like this, you know, please have the right expectations and the right mindset, you know, always invest the money that you can afford to spend, you know, because you can live a long healthy life of 120 years of age, and if you have one small lottery miner like this, you will still not probably hit a block, okay? So have realistic expectations. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. You can check out the different products from Bitcoin Merch through the link in the description below. Also, don't forget to use my code FREECRYPTO for additional discount. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will gladly do my best to help you. Also, Bitcoin Merch has an amazing support that will always help you for whatever it is that you need. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.